Hey everyone! Welcome to Learn and Speak English. If you're here, it probably means you want to improve your English. And trust me, you're in the right place. Here, we don't treat English like a difficult subject. We treat it like a part of everyday life. So just relax, listen, and enjoy. All right, let's get started. So, let me tell you about my day. I usually wake up at around 7 o'clock. Yeah, that's my regular time. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make a cup of tea. And honestly, I really enjoy that moment. After that, I have breakfast, something simple. Then I start my work. I work on my computer from home. Sometimes I feel a little tired. So, I take a short break and go for a walk. It feels really nice. At around 1 p.m., I have lunch. In the afternoon, I read or study a little. Sometimes I listen to English, just like this. In the evening, I cook dinner and relax. At night, I go to bed, around 10. So yeah, that's my day. What about you? All right, now let's practice together. Just listen and repeat after me. I wake up early. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I take a break. I go for a walk. I read a book. I go to bed. Nice. That was really good. You know, learning English doesn't need a lot of time. You can practice in your daily life. For example, I'm eating, I'm drinking tea, I'm walking, I'm working. Just say what you're doing. Right now, you can say, I'm learning English. Say it again. I'm learning English. Perfect. Hey, I want to tell you something. Learning English isn't easy, and that's okay. Sometimes you feel shy. Sometimes you feel nervous, and you think, my English is not good. But honestly, don't worry. You are learning. You are trying. And that is amazing. Keep going. You can do this. All right, here are 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, listen to English every day. Tip number 2, speak a little every day. Yes, even talking to yourself works. Tip number 3, try mirror practice. Look at yourself and speak. It really helps your confidence. All right, that's it for today. You did a great job. You listened, you practiced. That's how you improve. Just remember, small steps every day make a big difference. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn and Speak English. And tell me in the comments, why are you learning English? Thanks for being here. See you next time.